Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1993 Chevrolet Camaro Police Interceptor car. And we're going to take a look at it. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. That's 859-621-5572. Or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. But we're going to take a look at this 1993 Chevrolet Camaro Police Interceptor car. What a cool car we got here. All the original paperwork where it was ordered new, which is really, really cool. B4C option there, it shows you. Highlighted. It was ordered by the city of Greenwood, Indiana, to be a police interceptor car, which is really, really, really cool. And you just don't see much of that anymore. But I'll take you around and show you the car. First, we'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior. All the interior is finished in beautiful condition. All the dash looks great. Really, really clean. All the seats are in great shape. Super low miles on this car. Show you. We're looking at 25,000 actual miles there, which is super, super low. And like I said, excellent condition for the car. Shut the door here. And we're going to take a look at the inside the trunk here. All inside the trunk's finished in great shape. It's really clean on the inside of the trunk here. Show you. It's got great storage if you wanted to go on a trip or bring some cleaning supplies with you to the car show. It'd be perfect for either. So shut the trunk here, and he's going to start it up for me. Car really sounds good. There's some more stuff there. Let you get a look at that. Just a really, really nice, clean, just original car. Like I said, 25,000 actual miles. Turn the marker lights off there. It's got the door dinger that works. So, take you around and show you underneath the hood here. Powered by a 5.7 liter V8. Really, really clean. Underneath the hood looks great. Just a good, all original car that's been really kept in great condition. Shut the hood here and take one more quick look at the 1993 Chevrolet Camaro Police Interceptor car. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to take this car for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1993 Chevrolet Camaro Police Interceptor car for a test drive. Show you here, it's got a 150 mile an hour speedometer, which was special for the Police Interceptor cars. 25,000 actual miles, and it's got the tack in the dash and full tank of gas. So we're going to go driving here. We're going to see how this car does. And we're going to hit the road. A beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect to be driving classic cars. All right, here we go. drives great, doesn't rattle or shake. It's got excellent power and just smooth driving car. Turn around and head back here like I do every time. I'm gonna have Greg get on it just a little bit and we'll see what this Camaro's made of. See if we can track down any bad guys in this car. Got one car coming and then we'll be ready to go. All right, here we go. Excellent power, will shift through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. Really, really nice. Nothing get much nicer than this. We are almost back here. Like I do every time, I'm gonna have you like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to show you what it looks like underneath, and here's the underneath.